Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to review two cleansers from Neutrogena. They're all free acne wash and they're gentle cleanser. So first let's talk about their extra gentle cleanser, and I really love this one. This is fragrance free, non-comedogenic. It has 10 ingredients. You have to know this is an extremely mild cleanser. It has just one cleansing agent, which is polyglycerin 10 laureth, and this is even the fourth ingredient. The first three ingredients are water, glycerin and cetyl alcohol. Cetyl alcohol is a fatty alcohol, so no need to worry there. And I have tasted the pH. It has a very good pH from 5 to 6, and this is closer to our skin's normal pH. And I tasted the all free cleansers pH too. It has this pH around 4, and I know why, because it has salicylic acid. It is a PHA, and BHA and AHA products, they have to have this pH around 4 to 5 in order for them to work. And yeah, this is the thing. And I really love this gentle cleanser because of the pH and how it makes my skin feel. It is extremely creamy and mild. It doesn't foam at all. So if you're looking for a cleanser that is foaming, it is not gonna give this super clean and very tight feeling. And many people, they like that in a face wash, but I don't, because I think it can be overstripping and can affect our skin's protective barrier. So I like this face wash. This is going to be great for dry to super dry skin. People with oily and combination skin types, they can use this as their morning cleanser. I don't use face wash during the daytime, so I'm going to use this during the evening. And sometimes I'm going to use the simple face wash too, because sometimes I need more surfactants and I don't think it's going to work on makeup. And so you need to use oil cleanser. With sunscreen it works, because I have applied sunscreen, then I used this and it worked with sunscreen. Neutrogena instructs us to use this with warm water, but I don't do that. I use this with fermented rice water, but I recommend you to use, if you cannot use fermented rice water, if rice water doesn't suit your skin, then use water with normal temperature, because hot water, even warm water, can disturb our skin's microbiome and that can damage our skin's barrier. And I love how this face wash doesn't dry out my skin, and I think I can use this for the long run. And this is fragrance free. pH is very good. This is so gentle for my skin, and I have dry skin and sensitive skin, and this is super good for me, and I really love this. So yeah. Up next we have their all free acne wash, and it has 2% salicylic acid, and it has 4 cleansing agents. Some of these are mild, but some of these are kind of harsh. So, and it doesn't even have enough humectant or fatty acids to support the moisture loss that this face wash can create. This face wash has this gel texture. It is extremely foaming. My skin actually felt dry after using this, and I have used this only for one time, and I don't think I'm going to use this again. I understand it has salicylic acid, so the pH is 4. So if you want to use this, you have to use a gentle pH balancing toner. This face wash is for acne prone skin, and acne prone skin is already rated. Still they have added fragrance in this face wash. I know in a washer product it might not be a big deal, but if Neutrogena is targeting this for acne prone skin, and they know fragrance can irritate acne prone skin, so why they're putting fragrance in there? Because acne prone skin, the barrier is sacrificed. We need to fix that too. This face wash has aloe leaf extract as well, but it has more fragrance than aloe leaf extract. I thought it could be good, because when I made a video on this popular face washes, I thought I'm gonna find it good, I'm gonna give it a try. But as I see, it has 4 cleansing agents. Some of these are harsh, then it doesn't have much ingredients to back that up, that soothing, calming, hydrating ingredients. So this face wash can be stripping if we use this for a long term. Even I don't like this face wash, to be very honest. I won't recommend it. If you want to try this, you can try this for 2 to 3 months, but please do follow up with a pH balancing toner and use moisturizer. Otherwise it's gonna make your skin dry, because I have seen the reviews. They're like 2 camps. Some people are saying it has worked for them, but there are people who are saying it has made their skin flaky and dry. And I know why, because of the ingredients. I had high hopes. And salicylic acid, it can be good for acne, but I prefer salicylic acid to be in a leave-on formula like toner or serum, because we are using this face wash, we are keeping this on our skin just for 1 minute. I'm not sure how effective salicylic acid can be in this 1 minute, because this is a wash up product. So for acne prone skin, I would recommend a mild cleanser, then follow up with a salicylic acid toner or treatment or serum. That would be more effective, because I had acne. I had bad acne because of the bad skincare products I used. So I have used face washes like this, like salicylic acid, AHA face washes. Initially they worked, but later my skin became dry. So I would recommend you to use one gentle cleanser, then use this acne treatment, then follow up with a skin protective moisturizer. I think that's going to be best for acne prone skin, because during this time our skin demands healing. So we should provide it ingredients and products that can heal our skin, that shouldn't irritate our skin. And maybe wash up stuff, they can work with fragrance, but if you have the option, then choose fragrance-free formula anytime, any day. I really don't recommend this face wash, but if you want to use this for a short time and follow up with a pH balancing toner and good moisturizer. For my skin, I won't be using this. Preeti told me, one of my subscribers, she told me she used this for back acne and it worked. But it's a wash up thing, so I don't know how much salicylic acid can work in that 1 minute time. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye.